Hi guys, this is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we are visiting the Leaning Buddha here in Bangkok, Thailand. The Leaning Buddha can be found inside Wat Pho. We chose to get a taxi to the city centre, but you can opt for the Char Prai express boat to the temple. Tickets for Wat Pho cost 200 baht and includes a bottle of water. Wat Pho is a Buddhist temple complex and is first on the list of temples in Thailand's class as the highest grade of first-class royal temples. The complex houses the largest collection of Buddha images in Thailand, including a 46-meter-long reclining Buddha. Remember to follow the dress code. Cover your shoulders and knees and be prepared to remove your shoes before entering any of the temples. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Bangkok and travel videos.